Have you ever avoided a mirror, or paused before stepping on the scale? You're not alone. So many people feel stuck, wanting change, but not knowing where to begin. And the truth is, this isn't just about weight. It's about low energy. It's about confidence fading. It's about the frustration of starting over, again and again. You've tried diets. You've tried motivation. You've promised yourself, this time is different, but somehow, it doesn't last. And then that voice creeps in. Maybe this is just who I am, but that's not true. At FitLife Hub, we understand this, because we've been there. And we've learned something powerful: transformation doesn't start with perfection. It starts with a decision. Not a huge leap. Just one step forward. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need exhausting workouts. What you need is consistency. Because the truth is, losing weight is simple. But staying consistent is the challenge. So start small. Move your body every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. Choose better foods, one meal at a time. Drink more water. Sleep better. And most importantly, show up for yourself. Even when you don't feel like it. No extremes. No shortcuts. Just progress. Because small daily actions lead to big results. Now this is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Put on your shoes. Take that first step. Do something, anything, that moves you forward. Because every transformation begins with a decision. I'm done staying the same, but if you don't act, nothing changes. The same habits. The same frustration. The same version of you, 1 year from now. Imagine looking back, wishing you had started today. Don't carry that regret. Now imagine something different. You wake up energized. You feel confident. You look in the mirror, and feel proud. Not because you became perfect, but because you stayed consistent. You kept going. You didn't quit. That version of you? It's closer than you think. Built day by day. Choice by choice. This journey isn't just about weight loss. It's about losing self-doubt. Gaining confidence. Taking control of your life again. There will be hard days. Days when you feel tired. Days when motivation disappears. But remember this, you are stronger than your excuses. Every step matters. Every effort counts. So ask yourself, what if today is your turning point? What if this is the moment everything changes? Picture yourself standing in front of that mirror again. But this time, you don't look away. You see strength. You see progress. You see someone who didn't give up. This is your journey. And you don't have to do it alone. Fire call to action right now. Pause this video. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today? Then go do it. And if you're serious about changing your life, right finger subscribe to FitLife Hub, right finger turn on notifications, right finger comment, start today, and commit to your journey because accountability makes the difference. We're here to guide you. To push you. To remind you of your strength. So take that first step. Step outside. Move your body. Start today. This isn't just about weight loss. This is about taking your life back. Your future is waiting. And it starts with one decision: start today. FitLife Hub. Your transformation starts now.